Welcome to this video.
I'll show you the correct technique for administering the injection in buttock muscles. Into the buttocks safely and effectively.
First, gather all the required supplies and perform proper hand hygiene. Always use 1 cc, 3 cc, or 5 cc Syrinx 4 to inject any injection in muscle. Next, identify the correct injection site in the upper outer quadrant of the buttock to reduce the risk of nerve injury.
Insert the needle at a 90-degree angle using a smooth, controlled motion.